Okay. Now I want you guys to hear something. Now, I don't know if it's going to actually happen. Let's see if I can get it. It's probably not going to happen now that I want. Oh, it still happened. Let's see. There's this like whining sound that it makes after driving it for a little while. I'm trying to figure out what that sound is, and I'm hoping you guys can tell me what it is at the Xterra forums. I was looking up ball bearings, the upper ball bearings, and lower ball bearings, I probably got the name wrong, but of course I don't think it's going to do it now. It makes it really loud when I go over like tiny bumps. It's just like, it sounds like something rattling, and I don't know what exactly it is, and I'm hoping you guys can tell me before I get down under there and start tearing it all apart just to find out, so you guys can just tell me exactly what's wrong with it. Now I'm just driving around the neighborhood real quick. Let's see. Oops. Now the camera's not supposed to be pointed down this low either. You can kind of hear it's like meek, meek. Do one lap around it. Hopefully that'll be enough and I can just cut it so you guys can hear it. But it makes it a lot when I start parking. Whenever I'm like pulling into a parking spot, it's like really rattling. I don't know what exactly it is. I really hope you guys can tell me what it is. Because if I can replace it or even just do a fix, that would be great. But kind of hear it when I go over these small little bumps just for like 2 seconds, but it really happens when I start pulling into a parking spot, and the car when it gets like shaky, so when I start stopping it makes that sound. So you can hear it a little bit right now. Let's see if we can figure it out. It's not that it's like annoying, well it is kind of annoying, but I just feel like the Xterra shouldn't sound like that. By the way, guys, this is a 2002 Xterra. I believe it's the SE, but it has a V6 engine in it, not supercharged. It's the VG33E. So, hopefully that'll help you guys. I'm pretty sure most Xterras are probably the exact same 2002 versions, or that one is a second generation. I believe this is second generation. So, it is the suspension. I mean, you guys are probably familiar. The front end is shocks, and the back end's like the leaf suspension. So if it's those, and it's just like they're just rusted or something like that, maybe take some WD-40 to it. But I haven't gotten down there and actually looked at them yet. I'm actually going to do an oil change of this soon. This is actually handed down to me from mi madre, and this is a great car. I'm really happy about it. I'm really happy this was handed down to me, and I have plans for it, but I'm starting off slow. I don't want to ruin the car. I just want to add stuff to it. I don't want to do like a bunch of internal changes. I can go on like the people for the Project X from Nissan. Those guys put a fucking Titan engine in it. That's ridiculous. This thing already gets bad mileage. I don't need I don't need it to be worse. So just be a little bit moment of silence and probably be able to hear it. Neighborhood. Pull into the parking spot again, see if it really makes the sound one more time. Please make the sound one more time. X. Oh, I still don't have a name for this car, but I like calling her my ex. It's kind of ironic. Alright, let's see if we can get it to happen. Of course it doesn't make the sound this time. I really need to just record all the time. But hopefully the little bits that are there, I can cut it together and you guys can really hear it. But, nah, by the way, it's not, the window's not supposed to make that sound, but there's a rock in it. I need to get it out. I've been taking this thing off-roading. And I got shit all up in it. Anyways, that's it.